As we complete the process of this knotless braids, I want to tell you how you can be the best braiding client. Okay, because being a good client makes your braider, gives you the best maximum result of hair you want. Now, the advantage of coming to our salon is that we do the hair prep even before you come, which means that we cut half of the time you will be sitting to do your braids, and we have two or three people braiding and assisting with whatever thing you need. So let's get right into the video, how to get the maximum result from your braider. Now, number one thing is that you have to be a nice client. Some clients feel like they do you a favor coming to your shop. Yes, it's a favor, but one thing you have to understand is that we both need each other. We need each other. You need my services, and I need your money. I need your money to keep running my shop, and you need my services to look good. And there are, before you even go on saying that there are many braiders, there are many people who can do hair. There were many people who could do hair before you chose to come to me. So if you come to me, we have to respect each other. The respect should be reciprocal, if that makes sense. Now, in the process of braiding your hair, if there's something you don't like, peradventure the braid is too tight, you can just kindly tell me like, my braids are too tight. Can you make it loose? Or if you feel like it's loose and you want it tighter, you can tell me nicely. That's how we communicate nicely. Okay, if you have a problem with the length or maybe the sizing, we can adjust to that. That's why after the first braid, I'll always ask my clients, are you okay with the size? Are you okay with the length? Are you okay with the amount of extension put in your hair? So I always ask that question to know how to proceed. It's not when you now finish the entire hair and then the customer is telling you, oh, I don't like it. It's too short. It's too long. It's too big. So I always try to get everything on that first braid. If it's not okay, I take it down and I resize it. Do you want it bigger or smaller? That's how we go. The next thing is that if you are a returning client, it's always good to give a review on your braider. If your braider knows that you're the kind of person that will go back and then maybe take a picture and then take videos and pose and tag the braider will feel very happy doing your hair all the time and will give you the best service. The next thing is that always try to appreciate your braiders. Like I said, it's not a favor you're doing to us, giving us your money. We both need each other. So if you feel like your hair is nice, be appreciative. Be like, oh my God, I like it. All those things, they boost up the confidence of any braider. So guys, don't be an annoying braiding client. Don't be an annoying client. These tips apply to any service that you're receiving. The more you give to your braider, the more she feels happy, you know, giving you the best service. So the next thing is like, don't, if your client is braiding your hair, it's important that you kind of like stay for the duration, because it lessens the time. We both need our time to go and do other things. So if you're seated, the less breaks you take, the better for us. Because some clients, every after 10 minutes, oh, you want to go for a cigarette break, oh, you want to go for this, you want to go for that. It makes us take more time, and with that we start braiding the hair grudgingly, and it's not good for you, it's not good for me. So if you're coming in, okay, you can go to the toilet, you can have 2 to 3 times you go to the toilet. Not that you want to go and answer your phone call. We don't even restrict clients from answering phone calls. You just stay there, because for us, like, time is money. And then the next thing is that as a braiding client, I already emphasized on the point of being polite. You're not doing us a favor. We're not doing you a favor. We just both need each other. So the level of the politeness is really a big thing for me. And if you are a braider, I have a video where I explain things you can do as a braider. You Consultation is very important. It's not just someone to come and sit and then Before your appointment, I always do a consultation, and this helps me understand all the things you need. That way, we'll save time when you come. But it's important to always still ask that, are you okay with the sizing and everything? Now, if you want more tips like this, please do well to comment down below and comment any other points that you feel is essential or important to us as braiders and to braiding clients to get the best service out of us. If you have extensions that you really don't know what to do, we revamp wigs in our shop, we revamp extensions, and we have pre-stressed extensions in all colors, all sizes. Whatever color that you need, we are available. Now look at the pretty beautiful finishing touch. She was so amazed. This is the medium size knotless braids. Let us know what you think about this hairstyle. Is this something that you'll go for? Remember to like and follow and subscribe to our channel if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. We love you. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.